What's up, guys? KMar95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, we have a technical analysis on Enigma here. Currently down about 2.5% for the day, sitting at 58 cents. But we're looking at the BTC value, down about 2% for the day, sitting at 9,000 satoshis. But really quick, before we start this video, let's go ahead and give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you're one of those. Got much love for you as well. Market cap sitting at 208 billion. Today's volume is 11.5 billion. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 54%. Still not much has changed, folks. BTC still slightly below or slightly above 6.5, slightly below 6.6. Ethereum down almost 2%, sitting at 203. Ripple down almost 3.5, sitting at 45. Bitcoin Cash down about 1.5, sitting at 441. ETH still hanging out at $5.33, also down about 1%. Oh, excuse me. Lumen sitting at 23 cents, down 2% for the day. Litecoin back below 53, almost down 2. Cardano back below 7.5, down about 3, almost 4%. Oh, excuse me, sorry, I had to burp. Monero back below 103, down about 2.5. Tron still sitting below 2.5 cents. IOTA back below 50 cents. Dash, wow, almost back down to 150. And Neo actually sitting at $16.50. Big winners today: Polymath up about 9.25, Pivx up about 7.5, and Maker up about 5.5. Big losers: Odyssey down about 8.5, 0x down about 8, and GX Chain down about 7. But you folks came in for some Enigma. Market cap sitting at 43 million. Today's volume is 1.3 million. Circulating supply is 74 million. Total supply 150 million. Major exchanges here: Binance, Hotbit, Liqui, Mercantox, Huobi, Bittrex, and Hit BTC and Tidex. Looks like are the major exchanges. First things first, folks. BTC to USD on the daily. A couple of days ago, we had a crazy push from 6.1 all the way up to about 6.8. Since then, we've actually kind of been struggling to break 6.5. I'm waiting for that daily break and close above 6.5. Once we get that daily break and close above 6.5, we should see a nice push towards the upside. But until then, I'm actually expecting us to retrace all the way back down to about 6.2, see if we get a nice little double bottom at this level. This would be bottom 1, and then our second bottom would be right here. Momentum is in favor of the bulls. Actually, it was in favor of the bulls. Now it looks like we're shifting towards the downside. So wait for that daily break and close above 6,500 on Coinbase. Shifting over to Ethereum to USD on the daily, same thing here, waiting for that daily break and close above $208. Once we get that daily break and close above $208, we should see a nice push towards the upside. However, if we do get rejected at this level, do expect us to sell off from about $200 all the way down to about $150. But remember, just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. Litecoin to USD. Waiting for that daily break and close above $53.50. Once we get that daily break and close above $53.50, should see a nice push towards the upside. However, if we see a daily close below $51, I do believe we're going to start selling off from 51, possibly down to about 45. Something to look out for. But you folks came in for some Enigma to BTC. We're looking at the weekly here. Been in a nice little downtrend since our all-time high. Last time we were at this price was back in December of 2017. Actually, momentum is in favor of the bulls temporarily. Shifting over to our daily really quick, however, we do see a pretty tight consolidation zone here. Momentum in favor of the bears on the daily. So this is we did have a fake breakout and then we retraced back towards the downside. So you're going to be like, well, we broke out of it. Well, that was a fake out. It tends to happen. But remember, all these lines are subjective. Somebody could draw some other lines and they could match mine, not match mine. This is why this is my technical analysis and not theirs. But now you know. So looks like we have a pretty tight consolidation zone between 8,200 and 9,575. A daily break and close above or below either of these levels indicates our next direction. If we get a daily break and close above 9,575, I do believe we will easily come up to about 21,000 satoshis by the end of 2018, if not early 2019. But again, just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. Wait for that daily break and close above 9,575. Once we get that daily break and close above 9,575, should see a nice push towards the upside. But until then, I'm sitting on my hands. That's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote, keep commenting down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys subscribe, you have post notifications turned on, and you give this video a thumbs up. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.